Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly the first step you need to take to get your products to Amazon FBA, and we're going to start with duplicating your listing. Let's go. Hey guys, so now here we are in Seller Central and we're going to duplicate this listing. The reason why we duplicate listings is because when you send your products into Amazon, it goes inactive because there's none in stock, and it's not going to be in stock until it reaches the fulfillment center. So the reason why we do two listings, we have one merchant and we have one FBA. The merchant's still going to be active. We can still fulfill orders. We can still market. We can still do whatever we want. The listing will be live and active on Amazon. And then once it gets to FBA, if you want to switch it off, you can. But to keep it simple, duplicating listings is just so you can keep your product active while it's in transit to FBA. So here we go, guys. What you want to do is you want to grab the ASIN of your product. You're going to come over here and you're going to go copy listing. You're going to paste your ASIN and you come down here and click ASIN. So it's going to pop up the screen. You're going to go select and update offer. Okay. It's going to say this product is already listed. We know this. We're already duplicating it anyways, just because we have our theory in mind. That's what we're doing. So $199.99. Let's just keep the price the same for now. You can always switch it. Condition new, quantity, just you can just do one for now. We're going to switch it right over to FBA. So there's two bubbles here. This says I want to ship this item myself, the customer, that's merchant. And then there's I want Amazon to ship to provide customer service, that's FBA. But if you click this button, it's going to have you go straight into creating a shipment, and we're not there yet. So we're going to keep it at merchant fulfilled, and we're going to switch it over manually in Seller Central. So keep this top button for now, unless you already have your shipment details and everything ready to go, boxed up. You're going to want to click the top one. So just save and finish. Alright guys, so it might take a couple minutes to update and show active with both the listings in your system. They're both going to say merchant fulfilled right here, okay? So don't freak out. We're going to switch one right now. So let's grab this top one, the one that we just created, and we're going to go change to fulfilled by Amazon. This is our item here. It's going to go manufacturer barcode or Amazon barcode. Now, manufacturer barcodes are a barcode that you already have. Let's say you got it somewhere else. It's already on your product. That's a manufacturer barcode. Amazon barcode is one that Amazon generates, and you're going to use that from now on for these items that you send into FBA. So most people do Amazon's barcode. In my opinion, it's more simple. It's more in sync with Amazon, but manufacturer barcodes work just as fine. But most people, I would say, are going to use Amazon's barcode. You can print them right here in Seller Central. Super easy. So for now, we're just going to convert the listing. We're not going to convert and send inventory yet. We're going to do that in another video. But we're just going to convert this listing over to FBA for now. So just click convert only. You're going to have to do some dangerous goods information. So it's going to ask you about batteries. No batteries. Is it dangerous? Hazardous material, transportation, stored waste. No, there's none of that. So most of the time, unless you have batteries or like dangerous products, you're going to click no and no. So save and continue. Alright guys, so after you click save and continue, you're going to want to wait 5 or 10 minutes and then go back to the manage inventory page, and it should show one is inactive, Amazon fulfilled, one active by merchant. So this listing is active on Amazon right now, but there's also a duplicate that is FBA. So we can still send in this to FBA. We're going to cover that in the next video. So make sure you guys like, subscribe. I hope this was valuable to you guys. It's only the first step in getting to FBA. So make sure you check out the next couple of videos on exactly how you send to Amazon FBA.